Introducing the Vogel Super 3002, a marvel of engineering from Germany, brought to you by the Vogel Company. This beast of a paver is renowned for its remarkable width, capable of paving up to 16 meters in one go, making it the perfect choice for large-scale projects like highways and runways. Its efficiency is unmatched, thanks to the innovative screed technology that ensures a smooth, even surface every time. The Super 3002 also features a powerful, eco-friendly engine, highlighting Vogel's commitment to environmental sustainability. This machine is a game-changer in the construction industry, significantly reducing project time and costs. Next up, we have the Vervet Hydro Trike, a product of the Netherlands, designed by the innovative team at Vervet. This self-propelled, five-wheeled vehicle is a giant in the world of agricultural machinery. It's primarily used for precise and efficient slurry application, with an advanced injection system that minimizes nutrient loss and ensures even distribution. One of the Hydro Trike's standout features is its incredible traction and stability, even on the most challenging terrains, thanks to its unique wheel configuration. This machine not only boosts productivity, but also supports sustainable farming practices by enhancing soil health. The EBTP 470 Vario is another groundbreaking invention, this time from Switzerland, produced by the AB Company. This versatile transport vehicle is tailored for agricultural and municipal use, offering unparalleled adaptability with its Vario transmission for continuous speed adjustment. Its compact design and powerful performance make it ideal for navigating narrow mountain paths and steep terrains. The TP 470 Vario stands out for its eco-friendly engine and the ability to equip various attachments, making it a multifunctional tool for any task. It embodies efficiency and sustainability, catering to the modern needs of farming and maintenance. Finally, let's talk about the RoboPlanter 2 Double Select, hailing from Germany and manufactured by the Fahrzeug- und Maschinenbau GmbH. This innovative potato harvester is a testament to RoPa's commitment to agriculture technology. Featuring a unique double selection system, it ensures only the highest quality potatoes are harvested, significantly reducing manual sorting labor. Its gentle handling of the crop minimizes damage, ensuring the produce reaches the market in pristine condition. The Kyler 2 Double Select is not just a harvester, it's a revolution in potato farming, enhancing efficiency and product quality. The MB5 TJS towed jet sweeper is a powerful tool for maintaining airport runways, designed by the globally recognized German company, MB Companies. It's specifically engineered to clear snow and debris efficiently, ensuring safe landing and takeoff conditions. What makes this machine stand out is its high-performance jet engine that can blast away even the most stubborn obstacles, making it an essential piece of equipment for airports, especially in regions prone to heavy snowfall. Senebogen, a leading German manufacturer, brings to the construction and demolition sector the 825E model, specializing in selective dismantling. This machine is built for precision and efficiency, allowing operators to dismantle buildings with care, preserving materials for recycling. Its notable feature includes a versatile boom and attachment system that can handle a variety of dismantling tasks. The 825E is widely used in urban redevelopment projects, where its precision dismantling capabilities minimize environmental impact and waste. John Deere, an American icon in the agriculture industry, presents the 9000 series self-propelled forage harvesters. These machines are engineered for high productivity and are ideal for large-scale farming operations. They boast advanced technology that allows for precise chopping and processing of crops, ensuring optimal feed quality. The 9000 series is celebrated for its durability, efficiency, and the incorporation of technology that maximizes yield, making it a vital tool for farmers aiming to increase their efficiency and output. The ZT68J by Zoomlion, a leading Chinese company in the manufacturing sector, is a high-performance tower crane designed for the construction industry. This crane is notable for its height and lifting capacity, making it suitable for constructing tall buildings and large structures. One of its special features is the advanced safety systems, which ensure the crane operates efficiently even in challenging conditions. The ZT68J is widely used in urban construction projects, playing a crucial role in shaping skylines around the world. Let's dive into an exciting journey exploring some of the most innovative machines reshaping the agricultural landscape. Our journey begins with the Kierpy BPS 250, a masterpiece crafted by Kierpy, a company based in France. This robust stone crusher is designed to tackle the toughest rocks and uneven terrain, making it a farmer's best friend for clearing land. What sets the BPS 250 apart is its ability to turn rocky fields into arable soil, thereby enhancing the usability of farmland. Next, we step into the world of tractors with the John Deere 9620 RX, a product of John Deere, an American corporation renowned for its commitment to farming innovation. This beast of a machine stands out with its 4-track system, offering unparalleled traction and minimal soil compaction. Its use? To provide farmers with a powerful, efficient, and reliable tool for large-scale farming operations. The 9620 RX is a testament to John Deere's legacy in agricultural machinery, blending power with sustainability. Shifting gears, we explore the Case IH autonomous tractor, a revolutionary creation from Case IH, also hailing from the United States. This autonomous tractor represents the future of farming, combining cutting-edge technology with agricultural needs. Without a cab, it is operated entirely through remote control and pre-programmed operations, showcasing how automation can optimize planting, harvesting, and beyond. Its special feature? The ability to operate 24/7, maximizing productivity and efficiency on the farm. Lastly, the AgZeed AgBot, a product of AgZeed, a company from the Netherlands, takes center stage. This compact, autonomous farming robot is designed to perform a variety of tasks with precision and care. Its lightweight design minimizes soil compaction, while its advanced navigation systems ensure accurate field operations. The AgBot is perfect for sustainable farming practices, reducing the need for large, heavy machinery on the farm.